Hey there, Dr. Taylor. Travis Shields here. We spoke a little bit on Zoom when I was speaking with Chelsea about her website, and I know you also expressed some interest in what we can do for your website. So I want to get this shot for you here. It'll look a little bit similar since you both are based dentists in Bay City, but the same rules apply. So there's three things you can do really easily so we can get your website ranking on top of Google instead of your competitors. So I already determined from some keyword research for Chelsea's website that Bay City Dental is getting the most searches, and we got Matt Ward here on top for that. So I want to get both of you guys ranked on top for that. There's three things mainly to get you ranking on top for that. Content, backlinks, and citations. So what Google cares about a lot is the content that you have on your page. So like the words. So I know you've probably seen Chelsea's. You really want at least 1,500 words. I went through both your website and Matt Ward's. You guys are both around 400 words. So that really gives both you guys a chance to really beat them in that category, getting up to 1,000 or 1,500. It also gives you the opportunity to fit in the keywords, such as Bay City Dental, where he's ranking on top for, right here. The more you have Bay City Dental inside your content, the more it's going to help Google find you and rank you for that. You want to keep in mind that you only want one keyword for every 150 words of content, though. So that's why it's really good to have like the 1,500 words, because you want to rank for more than just one keyword. You can also save pictures on your website and stuff as keywords without Google marking you down negatively for it. So that's another good way to get keywords on your website. So the content is my first tip for you. The second is called backlinks. So backlinks is when one website is linking to your website, and that's driving traffic to you. It's really important because Google is like a popularity contest. They want to see a bunch of trustworthy, relevant websites vouching for your website. So you want to keep in mind they want to see relevant websites though, which means you're going to get a lot more power having other healthcare related websites linking back to yours. This is Eris here. I use this to see what backlinks competitors have, so I know what it takes to beat them. So this is your site here. You have 74 backlinks, and Matt Ward has 196. So he's beating you a little bit there, but if Google thinks that his backlinks are good enough to rank him first, then they're good enough to rank you too. So what I would do is I'd go, if my computer loads here, there we go. I'd go and see what backlinks he has, and I could go get those same exact websites linking back to you. Plus, I'd go get more and better ones. So yeah, backlinks are very important because essentially they're showing Google that you have power within your industry. And I want to give you one more quick tip, and that's how to show up in the map pack, which is this right here. So if someone types in Bay City Dentist, it pops up the map pack right there. So showing up here is where a lot of traffic comes from. To be here, you need to have more citations to your competitors. A citation is when you list your name, address, and phone number inside of a directory. A directory is a website that allows you to list your business information, such as Yelp, text, Yellow Pages, and so on. So for this, what we want to do is essentially we just want more citations than these guys. So we go in there and double the amount of citations that you have, and that'll really help you boost up here in the map pack. Backlinks also help ranking in the map pack, so those are also good for it too. That's just something quick I wanted to show you there, Dr. Taylor. We can get into much more detail here soon. I'll send this over to you in a text or email or maybe both, and we can continue on from there.